In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to enhance navigation on your website or simply need to make your content more accessible, understanding how to use anchor links efficiently can be a game changer. Let's dive in and explore the simple steps to get you started. First, you'll want to ensure you're in the right place, so begin by heading over to the HubSpot Trial Guide. This is your entry point for managing and setting up various elements on your HubSpot site. Once you're there, you should see a variety of options that allow you to handle different content elements. Next, navigate to the Content section. This area is your workspace where you'll manage blog posts, website pages, and other digital content. It's essential to understand the layout here as it acts as your primary dashboard for content management. Once you're there, spot the Website Pages section. This is where all your current web pages are stored, and you can view each one's structure, settings, and existing elements. This step is crucial because you'll need to select the specific page where you want to add the anchor link. After accessing your website pages, there should be an option labeled Home. Click on this to open your website's main page. This opens up the page editor, giving you a clear view of all the elements presently on your home page. From this point, you're all set to start adding new elements like anchor links. Now, take a look around the page editor, and you'll notice an option labeled Add. Clicking on Add opens up a list of different elements you can place directly on your page. Scroll through until you find the Anchor option. Anchors are incredibly powerful tools, especially if you have lengthy content sections and your users need a seamless way to jump between them. Finally, selecting Anchor allows you to decide where on the page you'd like to insert a new anchor link. Place it carefully to ensure easy navigation for your site visitors. A key point here is to always label each anchor distinctly. This ensures that when you, or anyone on your team, returns to manage these anchors in the future, you'll recognize immediately what each one is designated for. So that's how you add and manage anchor links within HubSpot. By efficiently using anchors, you enhance user navigation and improve overall engagement on your website. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful and that you feel more confident now about implementing this useful feature. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.